guys, I'm so glad that we're taking strides today. I just got off the phone with my son Sammy and he was preparing his meals for the whole week. And I started thinking about how we live our lives and how when we prepare, we're so much stronger. And so I know that for me, I prepare in my calendar every Sunday. I look at my calendar, I look to see what I'm doing, and I have it all mapped out. So I know like where my times are, where I have some flexibility. So whether it's your calendar or your food or whatever that we have to do, it makes us so much better going into something when we have prepared. Even when I meditate, I think about, why am I meditating? What is the purpose of this? Placing intention on what I'm doing. And it made me, again, thinking about Sammy and his food prep, how if we do this in our lives, we have such a stronger outcome. Something to think about for you, and I'd love to know where you prep and it really helps the outcome.